It's absolutely got Tusky in the Jackson riding nothing in it whatsoever. How many times Jackson is from the edge? Is he going to lead or is he going to ride the black? He's going to ride the black. And Bella's lots of room. Lights are side by side, nothing in it. How they go together? The Red Devils. You put on the inside. Here he comes. Swinging it round. He's on that stick. He's dropped in the hole. He's in the hole. He's in deep. James Jackson is out the back of the way. 2 laps he did. Richard Morehouse has got to keep it going. They've got it up on that skip together. They're on the skip together. Richard Morehouse on first. Over the tyres then. Once they get over the tyres, they're going to run the back and then go hard left for the second lap. On the inside is James Jackson. Slides around Morehouse then. The second rider rides against fourth when they go head to head. Richard Morehouse, 21 years of age, from home. Come on, put it all together. It's at the back, where he goes. On he goes. The point, he's going to ride the back, he's in the hole. He's going to get it across, and he goes. 41.14. So we've seen better than that. We've seen the high 30s, a set of time. And that will determine Husky, of course, 300. That's the time to be 41.14. Okay.